Right, a little while ago I showed this tool here, which I got from Bangor, this cordless screwdriver, and I showed it being used on my lathe and various other things. It's an excellent piece of equipment and comes with all these parts here, and I've used it a lot now and put it through its paces, and it's still performing excellently. And today I'd just like to show you a new tool that I've got made by Ingco. It's this tool here, another cordless screwdriver, an 8-volt lithium ion battery one, and it comes in this box here. A good set of instructions in English. These accessories, so you've got screwdriver bits, and what I like is they've got 4 different size drill bits and an extension, and it also comes with this nice canvas bag. It doesn't come with a power cable because it has a normal C-type micro USB port on the underside here, one that most phones take now. The other one, which I showed, has the older type USB port, and this one does come with a charging cable. Now, I found the Ingco tools to be a very good quality ABS type plastic with good rubber decal on them. The switches are very good, and reverse. And this one has 15 different torque settings, so 1 to 15, and that's the maximum for drilling. And like the other cordless screwdriver, this one has a LED light on the front here, which is excellent, and it also has the spring type chuck, hexagon chuck, so that the bits actually lock into it and can't fall out. And there is a hole right through the handle here in which you can put a lanyard or whatever for hanging on a belt. And the other excellent thing about this tool is that you can actually swivel it round like the DeWalt ones and have the screwdriver straight like that. It's just a simple press of the button here and swivel, and it locks in place when it's in position. So now I'm going to give it a bit of a test with some screws going directly into some mahogany. So I've just pre-drilled the first 5mm just so that the screws stand up in there, and then choose my bit. That's the one. So on number 1 torque setting, it would help to have the extension. That one's got a magnetic end in so that the little bits don't fall out, and then the extension piece goes into the chuck and won't fall out, so that's the best way to use it. So that was number 1. This is torque 3. Torque 9. And torque 15. And then I'll put it on its maximum and it'll screw right the way home. So the torque settings are excellent, and I do quite a bit of work in polythene, as you may have seen on my YouTube channel. And I found that the lower settings are really good for when you're screwing home maybe small screws, small metric screws, or BA screws. And you can have the torque really low, so that when it goes into the workpiece, the screw, it won't actually strip the threads. So that's a close-up of the tool. Like I said, it's very good quality, it feels nice to hold, very comfortable to use, and at an excellent price. And I also use this one to drive the cross slide on my lathes. And in the instructions it says the torque setting is a maximum of 6 Newton meters. So it's an excellent piece of kit and well worth the money. It's on special offer at the moment for £33.86. which is very low cost for such a high quality tool.